2012 Volkswagen Beetle with the 2-liter turbo engine TSI. Today we're going to be replacing the drive belt located right here on what is technically the front of the engine. For this repair, we're going to be using the DriveWorks 440 Kilo 6 drive belt. Let's get to it. And just in case you need it, here is the drive belt diagram. Here is your main belt here in the center, your main crank, your AC compressor, alternator, and your tensioner pulley will be located right here. This is a secondary belt for vehicles use the 2-liter turbo just like this Beetle, but not the one that I'm working on. Maybe yours, I don't think so, but for some of the vehicles that haven't switched over to electronic power steering yet, you may have a second belt behind your main belt. And if that's the case, that's what this belt is here for the vehicles using the hydraulic power steering that have not switched over to electronic power steering yet. But let's get to it. All right, for this job, I was going to originally use my drive belt removal tool. Unfortunately, because the head of the bolt that's on the tensioner pulley is at such an odd angle, I can't get my socket on there in a way that I have enough force to rotate it. So by the time I get it on there, it's already like right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some 17mm wrenches, double wrench it if I have to, but hopefully we won't have to do that. It looks like we're probably going to have to. Like that, we just slip the drive belt off of the alternator. Pull it off of the main crank. It's just tight down there. And off of the AC compressor, here we can remove our old belt. Good thing to do while you have that drive belt off, go ahead and reach in here and feel for play on all of your pulleys, especially your tensioner because it's one of these stupid plastic ones. Luckily though, the AC compressor has a little bit, but that's nothing crazy. I was expecting that tensioner to be in worse shape, but it's actually pretty good. And we'll go ahead and reinstall our new drive belt. I'm going to start by working this thing all the way down around the top of the crank and in between the AC line and in between the AC compressor and the tensioner, because that's going to pinch that in there. That's going to hold it. So lining it up with the ribs on the crankshaft pulley is going to be much easier. Go ahead and turn this on this time. Change my camera so I can be on this side and use my left hand. It's just tight down in there because they've got this piece of metal. You gotta kind of turn it sideways, stuff it in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab the slack with our right hand. We're double checking it with our left to make sure that it is on there correctly, which it is. Looks good. I'll go ahead and grab my 17. Boom. I got this thing back up here. And your drive belt has been reinstalled. And there you have it. Do your best to double check the ribs on there and make sure they're all lined up properly like this on each of the accessories before starting the vehicle. And if you hear any noises, make sure you turn off your vehicle immediately. But other than that, if you'd like to see more videos on this 2012 Beetle, check out that one next. I made that just for you. But this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.